Oh, hello, friend. Sorry, I didn't see you there. Don't mind me. I was just looking at this blue science liquid. I suppose you're here to talk about the relationship between different alleles. So, knowing that humans are diploid, that we have two copies of every gene, therefore, we make two copies of those proteins. We have to think about how different versions of those proteins might interact with one another. Right? How the outcomes of these different alleles might interact with one another. And so we have the two proteins being made in our body through the process of protein synthesis. Right? So from my mother, perhaps I got one variation of this gene, allele number one, and from my father, I got a different variation, allele number two. Let's pretend number one is brown and number two is blue. Okay? Possible interactions between these proteins. Brown might overpower blue. And so if I have brown proteins, right, brown might show up and blue might get hidden. Now this is a typical relationship between different proteins made by alleles. Okay? And we refer to this as being dominant and recessive. So the dominant allele will present and the recessive allele will get hidden. Now, sometimes recessive alleles are hidden because the coding doesn't make any protein at all. It's just a nothing. And so I have brown and I have nothing. So that will always be dominant. Alternatively, instead of fighting one another and one winning out, right, the two proteins might work together and they might show up as a blend. And so when we refer to that in the terms of inheritance expression and such, it is called codominant or incomplete dominance. And these are inheritance patterns that we will see show up very shortly in our studies. Okay? Bye.